Your messages aren't just words on a screen. They're connections, expressions, experiences. This is iMessage, where words do more. Sending and receiving messages is just the tip of the iceberg. Made a typo? You got 15 minutes to edit that. Or undo send within 2 minutes if you change your mind completely. Mark important messages as unread so you know to visit them later. Keep your most important conversations one tap away by pinning. Need some quiet? Mute conversations when you need to focus. Filter unknown senders to keep your inbox clean and organized. Find anything with the powerful search bar by keyword, contact, or attachment. Double tap for reactions, hearts, thumbs up, laughter, and more. Get someone's attention with a direct mention in group chats. Share moments in stunning quality. Photos and videos that preserve every detail. When your voice tells the story much better than your thumbs, record it. Drag and drop any file or photo effortlessly into your chats. Share links that preview beautifully, web pages, articles, videos, all at a glance. Share where you are, for just a moment or in real time. Connect your connections. Share contacts seamlessly. Add emotion to your messages. Slam for emphasis, gentle for subtlety, invisible ink for surprise. Or transform the entire screen. Celebrate with confetti. Mark milestones with fireworks. Get hands-on with digital touch. Sketch, tap, or even send your heartbeat. Add a personal touch with handwritten notes that preserve your unique style. Your face, your expressions, memoji stickers that are uniquely you. Bring your digital self to life. Express more with animated you. Turn any photo into live stickers. Your memories, your messages. Find the perfect GIF for any moment, instantly using Giphy. Your messages supercharged with apps. Share stickers, send music, play games, all without leaving the conversation. Or hop into FaceTime to use SharePlay, watch videos, listen to music, or even share your screen all while messaging. Groups evolve. Name them. Brand them with custom photos. Keep large conversations organized with mentions and threaded replies. Let your voice do the typing with powerful dictation. Customize text size in your settings for comfortable reading. Know who's messaging you without looking by setting custom ringtones set within contact cards. Your conversations stay between you and the people you're messaging with end-to-end encryption. Choose who sees when you've read their message, globally or per conversation. Block unwanted messages and report spam by long pressing on any conversation. Start here, continue there. Your conversations follow you across all your Apple devices. Messages sync seamlessly using iCloud, even recover deleted messages within 30 days. Control when notifications come through with different focus modes. Choose how you appear to others with customizable name and photo sharing. This is iMessage, where your conversations come alive, where messages do more than just message, where connections feel personal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more Apple tips and tricks.